Get out.
Ask a question. What's a question? Ask a question.
What are your favorite charities?
Wow. That's a good one.
That is a good one. Let's see.
What are your causes? What do you support? What do you believe in?
Dang, those are all really great.
Too many? Too many.
A favorite cause that I is like mental health, what is it?
Mental health.
Mental health, meaning like just like, because a lot of people are suffering from emotional suffering, so that's a cause as far as like providing the tools and those different things so that one can overcome that or get out of that current story that they're currently in, or being involved in that particular thing. So as far as the mindset, goes, where some people are just like, well, there's a lot of people that, different things like you could lead to suicide or whatever it may be because we're stuck in the mind instead of being able, like the awareness of it, that I think that's a cause. I don't know what specifically it would be, but providing, I guess, education and awareness of how the mind works and those different things.
And just showing up for the people in your lives, like letting them know that you care, reaching out to people you haven't talked to in a while and being like, hey, how are things? Like, how are you really? Not just the level one, like, oh, I got a new job, but like in here, that's what counts. In here, that's what counts. Yeah.
When it comes to kids, I think that's another one, like just giving them a great opportunity to grow and not limiting them to other people's beliefs, or like giving them the freedom to be a child, not putting so much shenanigans in their mind. And also, like, we want to get really deep, like the whole like kidnapping, like real like dark stuff, like rape and all the sex trafficking stuff. I hope and pray that I can some way, somehow be involved in the whole movement to help prevent that, to really just establish something to just cut that out, like just stop doing that. Like, human beings are not supposed to be used as mules, as objects, like that's just wrong. So I'm really, yeah,
I'm in alignment with the kids cause, like dealing with younger kids. There's a lot of obviously different things, but yeah.